Okay, they set me up in a primitive spot. Didn't have any ones with service open. Entrance door. Turn around, start here. It's a big handicap shower. And they have a nice little shower there. No shower curtains. Shower there. So 2 showers. 2 toilets. 2 sinks. A urinal. What else could you want? Eh? Nice. Just picnic tables scattered all along here. A restroom, and what I thought was showers are just changing rooms. This is right by the beach at Salt Flats. The gate here and the fence. It's back here. It's actually a pretty nice looking house. I don't know whether it used to, I don't know. Look how big it is. Oh Lord. It's not in too bad a shape yet. If they hurry up and fix it. The doors are open and stuff. Maybe somebody lives in it. I don't know. It'd be a shame if it gets torn down. Here, not near as fancy as the gate.